Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Adobe Commerce for your e-commerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your server meets the system requirements for Adobe Commerce. Choose a hosting provider that supports Magento-specific configurations. Set up the server environment, including PHP, MySQL, and Apache or Nginx. Update your server's package manager to ensure all components are current. Download the latest version of Adobe Commerce from the official Adobe website. Upload the downloaded files to your server using an FTP client or SSH. Create a new database for your Adobe Commerce installation in your MySQL server. Record the database name, username, and password for later use. Navigate to the directory where you uploaded Adobe Commerce. Run the installation wizard by accessing the URL through your web browser. Follow the prompts to set up your database connection. Input the database credentials you previously recorded. Configure the web settings, including the base URL for your site. Set up your admin account by entering your preferred username and password. Select your default language and currency options. Choose the installation type that best suits your business needs. After filling out all required fields, proceed to review the configuration. Once confirmed, trigger the installation process by clicking the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take several minutes. After installation, follow the on-screen instructions to clean the cache. Navigate to the admin panel using the credentials you set up earlier. Perform initial configurations, including payment and shipping methods. Customize your store's design by selecting a theme that aligns with your brand. Add product categories and individual product listings to your inventory. Configure other essential settings like taxation and customer accounts. Test your store thoroughly, ensuring all functionalities work as expected. Launch your store by updating the base URL to your live site. Continuously monitor your store's performance and analytics post-launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.